Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to another inspiring content of Decor menu. Get ready for an exciting woodworking and decor project that will transform your space. Today we will show you a collection of reclaimed wooden wine racks design ideas that are winning today's decor market. So watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. The economic impact and aesthetic significance of rustic or reclaimed wooden wine rack production in today's market reflect a powerful convergence of craftsmanship, sustainability, and evolving consumer values, making it one of the most meaningful opportunities for modern woodworkers. In a world increasingly shaped by mass production and disposable goods, reclaimed wooden wine racks stand apart as objects that carry authenticity, material honesty, and emotional depth, qualities that translate directly into both market demand and long-term value. From an economic perspective, reclaimed wood offers an accessible entry point for woodworkers because it reduces raw material costs while simultaneously increasing perceived value. Old barn boards, dismantled pallets, retired furniture, and architectural salvage that might otherwise be discarded become the foundation for products that command premium prices due to their uniqueness and story. This transformation from low-cost or free material into high-value decor illustrates a rare alignment between affordability and profitability, where sustainability itself becomes a market advantage rather than a limitation. As wine culture continues to grow globally, wine racks have shifted from purely functional storage solutions into lifestyle-driven design elements that reflect personal taste, hospitality, and interior identity. Rustic and reclaimed wooden wine racks resonate deeply with this shift, offering warmth, texture, and a sense of tradition that contrasts beautifully with modern interiors. Their visual appeal lies not in perfection, but in character, where knots, grain variation, weathered edges, and patina tell a story of time and use. This aesthetic authenticity appeals strongly to eco-conscious consumers who want their purchases to reflect values of environmental responsibility, craftsmanship, and mindful living. In this context, the beauty of reclaimed wood is inseparable from its ethical significance, and woodworkers who embrace this philosophy position themselves within a growing market that prioritizes meaning over mass appeal. For woodworkers, the production of rustic wine racks supports economic resilience by allowing small-scale makers to compete effectively against factory-produced alternatives. Because each reclaimed piece of wood is unique, no two wine racks are ever exactly the same, creating natural product differentiation that mass manufacturers cannot replicate. This uniqueness justifies higher pricing and fosters customer loyalty, as buyers feel they are investing in something personal rather than generic. Additionally, the manageable size and modular nature of wine racks make them ideal products for efficient production, shipping, and customization. A single design concept can be adapted to various sizes, finishes, and mounting styles without significant changes to tooling or workflow, allowing woodworkers to respond flexibly to market demand while maintaining creative integrity. The aesthetic power of rustic wine racks also plays a crucial role in their economic success. Reclaimed wood carries a visual language that feels grounded and human, offering a counterbalance to the sleek uniformity of contemporary interiors. When combined with thoughtful design, such as clean lines, balanced proportions, or subtle metal accents, rustic wine racks can bridge traditional and modern styles, expanding their appeal across diverse customer segments. This versatility makes them suitable for homes, restaurants, wine bars, boutique hotels, and gift markets, further increasing their commercial viability. The ability to function as both decor and storage elevates their perceived value, positioning them as functional art rather than simple furniture. Eco-consciousness has become a defining factor in consumer purchasing decisions, and reclaimed wooden wine racks align naturally with this shift. By reusing existing materials, woodworkers reduce demand for newly harvested timber and minimize waste, contributing to a circular economy that values regeneration over extraction. This environmental benefit is increasingly recognized and rewarded by customers who seek transparency and responsibility in the products they buy. The story behind a reclaimed wine rack, where wood once served another purpose and now lives again as a cherished object, adds emotional resonance that strengthens the buyer's connection to the piece. This emotional connection often translates into willingness to pay more, recommend the product to others, and support the maker's broader body of work. From a manufacturing perspective, reclaimed wine rack production encourages skill development and creative problem-solving. Working with reclaimed wood requires adaptability, as materials vary in thickness, hardness, and condition. This variability challenges woodworkers to refine their techniques, improve precision, and develop a deeper understanding of material behavior. Over time, these skills enhance overall craftsmanship, allowing makers to expand into more complex or higher-value projects. The learning curve itself becomes an investment, strengthening the woodworker's long-term earning potential while reinforcing the authenticity of their work. Customers sense this craftsmanship in the finished product, perceiving quality not just in appearance, but in structural integrity and thoughtful construction. The economic significance of reclaimed wooden wine racks also extends to branding and storytelling. In today's market, products are no longer evaluated solely on utility, but on the narrative they carry. Woodworkers who communicate the origins of their materials, the intention behind their designs, and the care involved in crafting each piece create a brand identity rooted in trust and transparency. This storytelling elevates the wine rack from an object to an experience, transforming a purchase into a meaningful exchange between maker and buyer. As this relationship deepens, repeat business and organic growth become more likely, contributing to sustainable income rather than short-term sales spikes. Aesthetically, rustic wine racks offer a timeless quality that resists trends and seasonal shifts. Unlike fashionable decor that quickly feels outdated, reclaimed wood ages gracefully, developing deeper character over time. This longevity enhances its value both materially and emotionally, reinforcing the idea that well-made objects deserve a lasting place in the home. For eco-conscious consumers, this durability aligns with the desire to buy less but better, choosing items that will remain relevant and cherished for years. For woodworkers, producing such enduring pieces builds reputation and credibility, positioning them as creators of substance rather than novelty. Ultimately, the production and manufacturing of rustic or reclaimed wooden wine racks represent a powerful intersection of economic opportunity and aesthetic purpose in today's woodworking landscape. They allow makers to transform discarded materials into beautiful, functional objects that satisfy market demand while honoring environmental responsibility. The combination of low material cost, high perceived value, emotional storytelling, and timeless design creates a sustainable business model rooted in craftsmanship rather than scale. For eco-conscious consumers, these wine racks offer more than storage. They offer connection, authenticity, and a tangible expression of values. For woodworkers, they provide a meaningful path to income that respects both the material and the maker, proving that beauty, sustainability, and economic viability can coexist in a single, thoughtfully crafted piece. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked reclaimed wooden wine racks design IDEASTHAT are winning today's decor market. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.